With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, there is a solid body which weighs 2.10 Newton in air and its relative density is 8.4. How much will be the body weight if placed in water and if in a liquid of relative density 1.2? So let's see the problem. First, which is given, that is the weight of the body. Weight of the solid body is 2.10 Newton and the relative density of the solid is given 8.4. Now he is asking about the body weight in water. So we know that the relative density of the solid is the density of the solid to the density of the water. So if we multiply by V into G in the numerator and V into G in the denominator, so we can say that this value will be equal to the weight of the solid. Okay, and this value, the denominator value, will be equal to the buoyancy force. So we know the relative density of the solid is 8.4 and the weight of the solid, that is 2.10 Newton. Okay, and the buoyancy force will be, so the buoyancy force from here can be calculated by 2.10 upon 8.4. That will be equal to 0.25 Newton. Okay, so in the first question he is asking the body weight in the water. So body weight in the water can be calculated by the difference of the body weight in the air, that is weight of the solid, minus the buoyancy force, that is Fp. So from here we can put the value of this. Weight of the solid is 2.10 Newton minus buoyancy force we have already calculated, that is 0.25. From here the difference is 1.85 Newton. So our first answer is 1.85 Newton, that is the body weight in the water. Now the second question is asking that the body weight in a liquid of relative density 1.2. So here the relative density of the liquid is given, that is the density of the liquid to the density of the water. So we can multiply by V into G in the numerator and V into G in the denominator. So upper value will be equal to the buoyancy force of the liquid to the buoyancy force of the water, that we have calculated over here. So from here we can calculate our value. So relative density of the liquid is given, that is 1.2, and we can calculate the buoyancy force for the liquid, and we know the buoyancy force of the solid in case of the water, that is 0.25. From here we can say the buoyancy force for the liquid is 1.2 into 0.25, that is 0.30 Newton. So the body weight of the liquid can be calculated by the difference of body weight in the air. So this is body weight in the solid minus buoyancy force in the liquid, that is 2.10 minus 0.30, which is equal to the 1.80 Newton. So the body weight in the liquid will be 1.80 Newton. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.